Hey guys and gals, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you a cheap and easy way to make the tastiest homemade pizza you have ever had. Trust me, once you try it, you'll never go back to frozen pizza again. And we are cooking it all in this budget-friendly commercial pizza oven I got off of eBay. So let's get to it. So guys, if you don't know it already, me and a few other YouTube buddies love to cook and eat pizza. I've been wanting a pizza oven forever, so I was so happy when this one showed up at my doorstep that I wasted no time in getting it set up. Opening the box, there was just a few things to assemble. The oven is completely stainless steel and is double wall insulated. There are 3 dials on the face of the oven. We'll explain what they are for in just a bit. The oven was covered with this white lining that we had to peel off. The door handle installs with just 2 screws, and we installed the pizza stone as well at the bottom. Once we peeled off the white lining, there was some dust and styrofoam we had to wipe off to get the oven cleaned up. We then took it over to the countertop and plugged it in. There's an oven light that turns on by flipping the top switch located on the bottom right. Now let's do the burn off. The top dial sets the temperature for the top heating element, and the middle dial controls the bottom heating element. The third dial is for the timer. And so we start to heat up our oven by flipping the switch on the bottom right. I set the dials to 300 and realized the dials were in Celsius, but we'll deal with that later. Let's set up our pizza. We got our ingredients here, pepperoni, red onion, tomato, roasted garlic, ragu type sauce, oregano, mozzarella, and then I got 2 ultra thin and crispy pizza crusts. So I pre-baked the pizza crust for about a minute because I like my pizza crispy. Then we began to add a thin layer of our pasta sauce to our crust. We are using roasted garlic flavored sauce, but you can use the flavor you like best. Now, to make the flavor pop, make sure to add oregano or Italian seasoning. This really makes the flavor stand out, so don't skip this part. This is the way we're looking. Now let's top it with our mozzarella. So now that we have a nice spread of mozzarella, let's lay down our toppings. We are going with the pepperoni first, followed by the red onions and tomatoes. You can use the toppings of your choice, but the max should be 5, or else you run the risk of all the toppings not cooking properly. So testing out the temp with our laser thermometer, we were topping out at 600 degrees Fahrenheit. So we are going to turn it down a little bit before we put our pizza in. We are aiming for about 550, 575. Just put the pizza in. Let's close it up. I'll give it just a minute in, guys, and you can already start seeing how the pepperoni is releasing its grease. Rotate it out to the other side, and we'll see what happens, guys. So guys, this is about a minute and a half in, and it's already boiling just about. I think I'm gonna pull it, man. Out, and here it comes. We'll look at the crust in just a minute. So cutting into this, the crust did feel crispy. The oven did a great job at melting the cheese evenly and charring those edges, all in about 3.5 minutes. Okay guys, so let's look at the crust underneath. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. All right. Really good. The crust is perfect. Not bad for my first try. A perfect, delicious pizza knocked out at the first try. Give this a try at home. Let us know in the comments what are your favorite toppings on homemade pizza. I'll put the link for the pizza oven in the video description. It currently sells for $159. A quick shout out to the Real Meat Stick for joining our channel membership. If you'd like to show support to our channel, make sure you hit that join button on the homepage. Well, that's all for now, guys. I hope this video finds you all doing well. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't yet. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. See you on the next one.